What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to plug a tire, repair a tire with a plug kit. If you have a nail such as this, I will post a couple links in the description where you can get stuff like this. Otherwise you can get it at your local auto parts store. You're going to need a tubeless tire repair kit like this. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and get the parts ready. So what we want to get is everything ready before we start, because once you pull the nail out, it's a race against the clock until the tire goes flat. So we're going to just peel. These are real sticky. And take one of these strips, and you're going to want to kind of pinch it, feed it through your tool. This might take a couple tries. It's not exactly the easiest thing in the world. And you want to get it pulled about halfway through like that. Now we're going to set it over here and get our reaming tool ready, and the side cutters or pliers. So what we're going to do is pull this out. Quickly put the reamer in the hole. Now you want to make sure that you're going in at the same angle the nail was going in, so you're not damaging any of the steel belts or anything in the tire. So if you're having a hard time going a certain direction, kind of feel around which way it's supposed to go. Now there's a couple different methods in doing this. I'm just showing you the most basic and easiest way to do it, especially if you're in a pinch. So here's our nail that came out. We got the reamer in there now. As you can see, there's some knurling on there to agitate it. What we're going to do is just kind of ream it in and out and twist it a bunch to clean up the hole. And then get your tool ready, and you're going to want to take note of the angle that this is going into the tire, because that's the angle you got to put this in at, and you got to be quick. Now this can take a fair amount of grunt, so don't be surprised if you can't get it in one shot. Some people will put some tire glue or grease on here. Again, I'm just showing the easiest way. Sometimes it helps to twist. Use two hands. You definitely want to have the tire in a position in which you can push with a lot of force. All right, so as you can see, I've actually pushed it in a little farther than I normally do. I usually push it in until there's about an inch or a half inch sticking out, and then what you'll do is slowly pull the tool back out, and the plug should stay in place. If it starts coming out, put your fingers over it and hold it so it doesn't come out with the tool. And as you can see, mine's not sticking out very much, so we're just going to leave it alone. But if it was sticking out a bunch, you could use a side cutters to snip it, or use a razor blade. Not a bad idea to take a spray bottle with some soapy water in it, spray around here, and make sure it's not bubbling, so you know that your leak is sealed up. And that's that. You should have a couple spare plugs left and experience and knowledge to do this again in the future if you need to. Also, don't forget to reinflate your tire to the specified pressure. As you can see on the inside of the door here, there's a sticker that says The PSI front and rear tires, 36 in this case for both. If it's not in the door here, it should be located in the door jamb. Hopefully this video helped you out. Make sure you hit the like button if it did, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.